Today we're going to have an unboxing of the LEGO Star Wars kit 75347. This is the TIE Bomber. Hi guys, Ralph here. Pure LEGO kits I'm going to review for you now, so this is the first one we're going to be doing. This is the TIE Bomber 75347. This comes, I think I came about 40-50 pounds, something like that in the UK. It comes with Vice Admiral Sloane, Darth Vader, a TIE Bomber pilot and a gonk droid. So what these reviews are going to be is just basically what you get in the kit. There will be a build later, but at the moment we're just going to show you all these anyway. So lovely box art. The newer stuff on here with the darker bricks over in the corner, it really does look pretty good. And I do love the way on the side, if you ever display the entire box as the cells, then you've got a lovely little snippet of what the entire thing is. So on the side as well, on the rear you have the TIE Bomber from the inside. Slight little play features inside, so you can put the TIE Bomber inside the cockpit. Some bombs could be dropped because it's a TIE Bomber after all. Yeah, love it. Tell you how to open it. If you want to destroy your boxes, please rip that open and then it's glued there, and there, or on the other side, which I've already done. So if you don't want to destroy boxes, that's the best you can do, unfortunately. And what you get inside here is very simple. Bag kit 1, bag kit 2, bag kit 3 and 4. So quite an easy enough build. You've got the instructions right here. I don't know if there are any stickers in this or not. I don't think there are. I think the centre part there is already pre-painted. These could already be pre-painted if I can find that part. Of course it would have been on the end. Or possibly the wings. Where is the cockpit on? There's a part there. Now we'll find out what that part is at a later date. I think it might be the cockpit. Probably is not actually. But yeah, parts in here. How many pieces have we got in this? It used to be really easy to find out how many parts you'd got, but it's not shown anymore. So part bag 1, take everything out, make your Darth Vader, which has got a nice little white face on there as the original actor. Make your way through. Parts kit at the back, which is really, really nice. So you can have a check through of what is here. If you really want to do a check through, fine, off you go. If you don't, and you like me, just want to get on with it and trust that they've done everything, fine. So it looks like that part there is already there and no sticker sheet at all. So it looks like an easy enough build to do. The TIE Bomber, pretty good for what you get. For the price is really pretty decent priced wise. So yeah, cool. But like I said, this is only just what you get with a TIE Bomber. This is pretty, yeah, pretty good of what you need, what you get. It's a good play size. It's not too over the top. The UCS sets are amazing. I would like these ones. I do have the UCS Millennium Falcon. The rest of them are your play scale. I don't like the mini scales. They are too small. But I could be wrong. I'm only reviewing stuff that I've got. So TIE Bomber, happy, done, sorted. So go get one from the shops. They are still pretty much available. And yeah, cool. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in another video. If you want to subscribe or you want to be a Patreon and help me out, links are in the description below. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye for now.